What's up, cyber friends? Kyser here. Advent Cyber, day number 9. Let's go. Day 9 networking. Where is all this data going? McSkeety recently found out that a large amount of traffic is entering one system on the network. User traffic analysis skills to determine what kind of activities Grinch enterprises are performing. So this is actually really exciting to me because networking is actually my specialty, so this is going to be really fun. In this task, we'll walk you through the required skills and knowledge to perform a basic packet analysis using Wireshark. Packet analysis is a technique used to capture and intercept network traffic that passes the computer's network interfaces. Packet analysis may also be called with other terms such as packet sniffer, packet analyzer, protocol analyzer, or network analyzer. As a cybersecurity individual, gaining packet analysis skills is an important requirement for network troubleshooting and communication protocol analysis. Using a network analysis tool such as Wireshark, it captures new packets in real time and displays them in a human-readable format. It provides many advanced features including the live capture and offline analysis. This task covers the packet analysis steps in detail using Wireshark to analyze various protocols, unencrypted protocols such as HTTP, DNS, and FTP. Required skills and knowledge. We're assuming that the user has basic background skills to complete this task. Requires theoretical and practical knowledge, including basic networking concepts, TCP/IP stack, OSI model, and TCP handshake. This applies not only to packet analysis, but also to most other topics we deal with in cybersecurity. So I don't really like how they're assuming basic backgrounds, because it says it's for beginners. And why would you assume knowledge if it's for beginners? I already have this knowledge, but you know, a lot of people probably don't have that knowledge. I know that when I first learned this, like, this stuff doesn't come second nature, so not sure why they just didn't make a module that taught the fundamentals and then did this module to expand upon that, but we'll see how it goes. Packet analysis tools. There are many tools that are used in network traffic analysis and network sniffing. Each of these tools provide a different way to capture or dissect traffic. Some offer ways to copy and capture, while others read and ingest using different interfaces. In this room, we will explore Wireshark. Keep in mind that these tools require administrator privileges. What is Wireshark? Wireshark is pre-installed on the THM attack box, and you can just launch the THM attack box by using the Start Attack Box button and opening Wireshark. If you want to do this challenge on your own computer, Wireshark can be downloaded from here, and I actually already have Wireshark. It's on my taskbar. For this task, we have prepared a PCAP file to download and follow the instructions and apply the required packet analysis skills using different scenarios. HTTP number 1, GET. We will be performing a packet analysis on the pre-captured network packets in the PCAP to analyze HTTP traffic. Once we open the PCAP using Wireshark, it will show a lot of network traffic since we connect using RDP protocol, making our work harder. However, we will be using a Wireshark filter to focus on web requests only. HTTP number 1, post. In the second scenario, we check HTTP post requests used to log into a web portal. In this section, we'll be performing packet analysis to capture the username and password of the post request. DNS is like a giant phone book that takes a URL and turns it into an IP address. This means that people don't have to remember IP addresses for their favorite websites. FTP. The following PCAP file has FTP packets that have been received by our server. For this task, we'll be looking at FTP traffic in Wireshark. Like other protocols, we will be using Wireshark filters to look into FTP packets. By default, the FTP server is listening on TCP port 21. Answer the questions below. Alright, so let's go ahead and download our PCAP. So download task files. Alright, so once you download the files, you go ahead and click on it. This is assuming that you have Wireshark already installed. And then it loads up, and here we go. My Wireshark is out of date, so let's go ahead and install update. Alright, so you load up the file, and this is what you're going to see. Alright, so the first question is, in the HTTP number 1 GET request section, which directory is found on the web server? So we're going to apply a filter, and we're going to do http.request.method. And then we're going to do is equal to get. Hit enter on that. So it looks like our answer, the directory is the login directory. So we'll try login. Submit that. And that's correct. And my streak, woohoo, 11. Let's go. What is the username and password used in the login page HTTP 2 post request section? It's the same filter. We just got to change get to post. Hit enter on that. So after you apply this filter to post, you can go to the first, second, or even third capture here, and you can drop down the HTML form URL encoded at the end here. Drop this down, and you can see that the username is McSkeety and the password is Christmas 2021. What is a user's agent name that has been sent to HTTP number 2 post section? So if we go to the HTTP section here, drop this down, and we look at the post section right here, which is the first section. Drop that down, and we can see user agent, TryHackMe, user agent -THM, and then this looks like a flag. Can I just paste this in here? In the DNS section, there is a TXT DNS query. What is the flag in the message of the DNS query? We're going to apply the filtered DNS, so DNS, hit enter, and these are all our DNS entries here. So what we're looking for here is a text DNS entry. So if you scroll up and down, this is how I did it. There might have been a way to search for this, but I kind of just did it the manual method. And I just looked at each line here until I found the text packet. So here it is. So we'll right click this, follow UDP stream, and this is the stream that we want to follow, and this right here is our flag. So we'll copy this and we'll paste this in here, submit that, and that's correct. In the FTP section, what is the FTP login password? So we're going to apply a filter here. We're going to say FTP, hit enter, and we are looking for a login password. So if we look at this one, it literally says response, please specify a password. And then if we look at the next one after that, it literally says pass TryHackMe right there. So if we do right click, follow TCP stream, we can see the whole conversation. And if you see right here, please specify the password, and pass is TryHackMe with exclamation point. Copy that, and we'll paste that in here, and that's the correct answer. In the FTP section, what is the FTP command used to upload the secret.txt file? If we go further down in this conversation, we see a request for secret.txt. So we'll click on this one and we'll follow the stream. And the command appears to be this STOR. We'll type that in, STOR, hit enter, and that's the correct answer. In the FTP section, what is the content of the secret.txt file? So we need to find the content of the secret.txt file. So we'll close out of this stream, apply the FTP data, hit enter on that, and there's only one option here, so it's going to be this. And if we scroll down to the TCP section here, it should be under, should be able to find some contents of it here, right here. So line-based text data, so we'll open that up, and then right there is our flag right there. So right click that, and we'll copy the value, and we will paste the value. We'll get rid of this part of it. So this right here is the value. I don't think we need to slash in here at the end. Submit that. That is correct. And that's the end there. Very basic Wireshark. It was pretty simple for me because I have used Wireshark in the past. I'm very familiar with networking and how protocols work. So it was pretty easy for me to find all of these answers. I didn't even click on any of the hints to help me along on this because it was stuff that I already knew. But it's very informational. If you don't know this and you do this, then that's really good because this is important knowledge to have when it comes to networking. So really good module, really good section here, and yeah, so that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Hopefully you found value in it. If you did, go ahead and give it a like and hit the subscribe button if you want to see more content from me. Hopefully see you in the next video. Peace out, take care, have a good one. Kyser out.